Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at the Dallas location. Let's go see what's going on here. Bill, what are you working on today?
Today I got a Dodge Ram 1500, came in with a misfire on cylinder 5. It was throwing the code for injector 5 low circuit. So what we're going to do is I have a Noid light here, which is going to detect the signal from the ECM so we can decide whether there's a problem from the ECM side or if the injector itself is bad.
Afternoon, what are you working on today?
I'm doing 4 tires on this Toyota Tacoma over here. I'm just making sure they're balanced for the road and about to finish up right now.
Awesome, thank you so much. Ashton, what are you working on this fine day?
We have a 2013 GMC Terrain. We diagnosed it was actually a piston ring failure. So we just put an engine in it. It's going back together right now and should be test driving by the end of the day today.
That is fantastic, thank you. Zach, what's going on with this Acura?
So this is a 2011 Acura. Right now, customer came in for the transmission not going into gear. Basically what happened is the sensor that goes into it that ranges if it's in gear or not has went bad. So now we have to replace the transmission range sensor and then it should fix the problem.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us this week for the Weekly Roundup Report in our Dallas location. We'll see you next time.